What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, this will be another experimenting with colors video. I'm going to create a series on this just to kind of have fun, and so if you want to see any colorful looks that you may want to try out yourself, you can go to that little channel or that playlist. And so you're going to see me create this little sunny look. And before we get into that, you already know what you got to do. Click that subscribe button, hit that bell, getting notifications when I post new videos. Remember, double click on it or else you won't see when I post. And then click that like button, letting me know that you're liking the content that I'm putting out. So let's not waste any more time and let's get into this little sunny eye tutorial. Alright, so I've already, primed my eyes with some ColourPop No Filter Concealer and a little bit of powder to set it. And so we're going to do another experimenting with colors, and I think I'm going to take my shirt color as inspiration, and I'm going to roll with a kind of a mostly yellow look. So I'm going to go into my BH Cosmetics First Edition 120 color palette. These were one of the first palettes that I bought when I started getting into makeup, and I was like, 120 colors for 12 bucks. Yes, please. So now obviously inside, like, the pans are really small, but that's okay. We're gonna roll with it. So I'm going to take this little part out, and I'm going to take super fluffy my Morphe MB23 brush, and I'm going to go into this kind of pale yellow right here, and I'm going to use that as my transition. I think I'm gonna go in with where's my favorite brush? Oh, we got to roll with it. So I'm going to take this is the number 6 brush from the BH Weekend Festival palette. I'm gonna go into this shade right here and kind of deepen this up a little bit. Okay, so now I've kind of built up a bit of a transition. I'm now going to take my crease brush right here from e.l.f. I'm going to go into this shade right here and just kind of deepen things up. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with that first brush and kind of blend things out. So again, this was when BH first started, so these shadows are a little powdery and kind of chalky. So I might go, let me see, because I want that yellow to pop a little bit more. I'm going to go into Afrique right here. Go into the shade right here, Aya, and see if that'll help that some. Excuse me. There we go. Okay. I apologize for my dog. She having a fit. Okay, so we're gonna have to make this a little bit of yellow and orange a little bit to kind of help create some dimension in this eye look. So I'm going to go back in with that crease brush, go into Dakar, and deepen this crease up a little bit. So now I'm going to go back in with that first brush and just kind of blend everything out. So now I'm going to go off camera, put on my primer potion. What's that primer potion? My glitter primer, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now I'm going to go into the Nubian 2 palette. I'm going to go into the shade, oops, let me bend that back, sorry. I'm going to the shade Nairobi right there. Oops, I'm on a little, there, right there, yeah. Nairobi, I'm going to put that on the outer portion of my lid. So now I'm going to go back into that BH First Edition palette. I'm going to go into this yellow right here and put that on the inner portion of my lid. To go back and just kind of blend these out. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Morphe E36 brush. I'm gonna wet it a little bit. There it is. I was like, where's my setting spray? I'm gonna go back into that yellow I put on my lid, and I'm going to go in the inner portion of my eye. to roll back into that Nubian 2 palette and put that shade on my outer portion of my lid, on the outer portion of my under eye. Alright, so now I'm going to go off camera, put on my liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I put on my mascara and liner on my eyes, and so now I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place Afrique blush in Serafina. So it's this beautiful pink shade, and just kind of lighten up my cheeks. Lord, totally forgot. Let me contour. So before I do anything, what's wrong with me? I'm going all out of step. Alright, now I'm gonna go back in with that blush brush and kind of blend everything out. Alright, and so now I'm going to go in with my current favorite highlight palette, the Duo Highlight Palette. I'm going to go into the shade Double Trouble right here, and I'm going to put that as my highlight. I kind of want to intensify it a little bit, so I'm going to go in with take my highlight brush. I'm going to take moving everything is moving. I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild. Here we go. We're going to go in with actually, we'll go in with a little bit of Blossom Glow to kind of make it pop a little bit more. There we go. Kind of change it a little bit. So it's not so yellow. There we go. Voila! And then I'm going to finish off this look with a little bit of gloss just to kind of keep it nice and light and fresh. So I'm going to go in with the NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline. I'm going to put that on my lips. Okie dokie. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed me creating this little yellow kind of sunny inspired look. If you want to see more of these, just comment down below and let me know. I'll keep doing this little series. I think, yeah, kind of like the first video, this will be my experimenting with color series, so you can see me create different eye looks with different colors and see what color combos I put together. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and until next time guys, deuces.